At Volvo, condition monitoring is central to every service we deliver. Hey, so how's this machine doing?
Yes, machine's running fine.
That's good. But let's take an oil sample just to be 100% sure.
Okay, let's check.
So why is fluid analysis such an important part of condition monitoring? Your machines work extremely hard every day, so we need to keep them productive and problem-free. Regular fluid analysis is the only way to spot problems that we cannot see, so they can resolve them early and effectively. Thanks! After collecting your sample, simply register it in our mobile app, secure it in the provided kit, and it shall be on its way to the lab for analysis. When it comes to fluid analysis, reliable equipment and consistent testing methods are key to accurate results. And in Volvo, there is no compromise. Whether it is early signs of component wear, degradation of additives, or the presence of contaminants, we have you all covered.
Lab report all good?
Yes, everything is looking good. Now we can be really sure that the machine is running fine. We understand that you are always on the go. So we give you the flexibility to view and access the reports at any time, anywhere. Volvo Fluid Analysis delivers trusted Volvo expertise, actionable insights, and a mobile-friendly solution, so that you are always one step ahead of your problems. Get started today on protecting your machine with Volvo Fluid Analysis.